take another and a small step.
And we know with a hammer.
It's really does, right?
Exactly!
It's magic!
No, it's not magic. It's physics.
What have you done? Mia, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. You ruined my dance.
Emma, what's happened?
I ruined everything.
Let's see what we can do.
Wow, you're a magician. Mia, come here. Wow, it got better. Thank you, sister.
Any problem can be fixed, especially if you've got friends around.
Thank you, Joy.
Wow, you have a new toy?
Yes, but I'm playing alone.
Oh well.
It's not working. Mia,
You don't want to share with me, and I shouldn't help you.
I'll share with you. Help.
You know that I always help you, because you are my little sister.
Oh, thank you, Mia. Ready?
Really? Dad will always be there for you.
Oh no!
What are you doing, Mark?
I'm trying to make a board. It didn't work.
Maybe because it is too heavy. Let me show you a trick.
Yes!
Wow, can I try?
Yes, sure.
No, mine.
Hey, girls, don't fight. Now, I'll show you a trick. There is a solution for every situation.
Hey Emma, can I play with you, please? But you have two.
No, it's fine. Sarah, can I play too?
No, because you didn't share.
Emma, what's wrong?
Sarah doesn't share.
You should know how to share. Here, go take this and share with her.
Thank you, Daddy. Whoa! Sarah.
You will share with me?
Yes, I'm sorry about the morning.
That's okay. Let's go play. Let's have some snacks. It's always good to share.
Thank you, Sarah. Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, I have a sandwich.
I'm thirsty.
Oh, I have a water. Emma, it was my water. I want to drink too. Don't you want to say anything?
What? How, Emma?
Yes, let's enjoy it. Emma, you should say thank you when someone shares something with you.
What?
To be polite to people.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you for the sandwich and water, Sarah.
You're welcome.
Stop, Emma! Don't rub your eyes with dirty hands.
What will happen when?
Germ from your hands can get into your eyes.
Oh no, I don't want germs living in my eyes. Ew.
You need to wash your hands with soap.
Okay. Nice and clean. No. Sister, help me. Emma, sit on me.
Oh, don't worry, Mia. I know how to help you. You need to wipe your face with antibacterial wipes. That's better. Now you will be fine.
Thank you. I have to tell Emma about them. This will save you from bacteria. Wow, thank you so much. Now cleanse your mouth every time you sneeze.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Did you wash your hands?
No, that's the game.
No, it's very important. It's your hand. And these are yours. And let's take some soap.
Aha.
Wow, it's amazing.
Soap prevents germs.
Always wash your hands before eating and stay healthy. Where is the sound coming from? Ah, it's mine.
Emma,
What? No. Wow. Oh. Hello.
Emma,
Oops, sorry, teacher.
Emma, no phone in class. Emma, please keep quiet in class.
Okay, teacher. I'm sorry. Catch my ball.
What happened here?
It's not me. It was my teddy bear.
What?
Time out, teddy bear.
Oh no.
Now time out for 5 minutes.
Oh no. Should I tell the truth? Should I tell the truth? It's not me. It's teddy bear again.
Huh? The kitty is still on time out, but now your turn. Emma, always take responsibility for your actions.
Okay, Daddy. I'm sorry.
Good. Now time out is over.
Hooray! Thanks, Daddy. I love drawing.
Me too.
Oh no, it's broken. Sarah, give me pencil, please.
Why? Where did you leave yours?
It wasn't working. I threw it in the garbage. I can't use it.
Wait, you don't have throw your pencil away.
Huh?
This sharpener will help. Magic, just insert it and rotate. See, done.
Thank you, Sarah. You are so smart.
Don't waste if you can fix it.
Yes. I don't want to eat vegetables.
Ew.
Why not?
I've never liked them.
Let me make that yummy for you. Here, try this.
What is it? Vegetables again?
No, not just vegetables. They're super vegetables!
Wow.
Look, this is a super carrot. It gives us superpower, supervision. And this is a super paper. It gives us super strength.
I'm superhero. Oh, my food is so boring.
What? Boring?
Yes.
Don't worry, I have an idea. Chef Daddy here. Let me make it yummy and funny for you.
Wow, it's so amazing.
Even boring food can be fun.
Yes.
Good.
Someone is knocking. I'll open it.
Wait, where are you going? Sarah, stop.
What?
Look first. We don't know here.
Oh no.
Never open the doors to strangers.
Okay, sister, you are right. Safety first.
What is it? You're drawing like a potato with legs.
It's a dog.
It's very strange though.
I work really hard on it.
What? Emma, do you think laughing help her or hurt her?
But I didn't mean to hurt her.
Sometimes we laugh but don't notice how we hurt our loved ones.
Okay, Daddy, I understand. Sarah, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you
feel bad. Indeed.
I think your dogs looks cool.